Welcome to Yorkshireman Models, and this time on the bench for unboxing and reviewing is the 172 scale Messerschmitt Me410a-1 U2 and U4. It's from Airfix, and it was a bit of a surprise release at the weekend this, so we'll have a look, see what we get, and see if they've brought out a lovely little kit or not. Cartograph decals are standard nowadays with Airfix. We've got on the side a quick one. It's just showing you what you get if you look when it's on the shelf, so you can see what's actually in the kit. You've got two variants there. You've got the Me410a-1/U and the Me410a-1/U4. Now, one's from 45, one's from 44. They are late war kits, well, aircraft these. The length is 175mm, the width is 226, and there is 137 pieces in it. A little bit about the kit: it's a later development of the Me210, the Me410, so bigger aircraft, usual stuff like that. It did perform roles as night fighters, bomber destroyer and reconnaissance, mostly reconnaissance towards end of war. So let's have a look, see what you get inside the box. Feels quite a full box, I know, and it's quite a size box, to be honest. Oh, by the way, the kit, I think it's £23.99. Yeah, £23.99 I've paid from Jadlon. You can get it from every good supplier that do Airfix kits at the minute. It's around the 21ish to about 24 quid like that, but Jadlon, the price, that's including the postage. So, big bag of sprues, and it is a big bag of sprues, that there. Instruction, and we have got decals, and it looks like a colourised sheet to show you for your decals and that. So we'll put them there, we'll put those parts to one side there. We'll do the instructions first because they're quite a lot here. I'm just going to go through them quick. I'm not going to mess about doing every single stage, but you can see usual Airfix cockpit tub first. You're building all that up, bit of work on wings, building the wings together. As you can see, looks like you're getting ready to start building engine detail, fuselage there, there and there at the bottom. And there's your cockpit tub there being fitted to fuselage. You've got your fuselage going onto your bottom section of wings there, together there. So you've got the top section, you're fitting your small parts, your engine builds are there. Looks like a lot of individual, lots and lots of small parts to be doing. And as usual for Airfix, you can see here they're giving you question mark note when building the model with the radiator flaps closed or open and all that. They're telling you what to do. They're giving you the pretty good instructions these days. Is Airfix easy to follow, and that's what I like. Not as colourised as some, but these bits of colour in here do help you to see what you're meant to be in areas. We are fitting a lot of the final parts, the exhausts and stuff. Again, last of the fuselage, the undercarriage being fitted there, there. That looks like the external fuel tanks, or reserve tanks as they're called. Propellers, and then canopy. One there at the front, and you've got a free part there to fit across the top like that. And that's your kit, hopefully built. Sorry about that, that's my phone. We'll do this one because this is your decals. Get it out in then. And you've got the U4 version, you've got the U2 version. Both look like they've got the same decals in certain places, like number 10 there, see? Oops. And a number 10 again there. So you've got very similar. There's probably just a little bit of change in decals. Yes, we've got here like CC there, and we've got an AV there. But most of it is just looks like the same. You've obviously got your different colouring for the camouflage schemes, but other than that, that's what it is. Looks very, very nice. Nicely detailed, easy to follow, and the same on both sides there. We'll do the decals now, because that's easy while they're there. And you've got lovely decals, as usual. Feel very thin, as cartograph are, and usually these go down really, really, really well. I would recommend using a microsol or microsop with a set with these, because it just makes them go down absolutely beautiful. They look like they're painted on rather than they do a normal decal where you see silvering and that. But yeah, they are good. That's your. These can be a pain, I've found, but that's me, not the decals. Fitting these as they go around the actual propeller at the nose. But yeah, they look good, look nice. Get to the main gummins now, which is the kit itself. Right, we'll open this up and we'll see what we've got. Like I say, it is a lot in here, top kit. It's a bargain really when you look at it for how much you're getting. It's a lot of kit for 23 quid, 24 quid. Hang on a second, I'm just going to mute that thing there. Just a second. Sorted it. Does my head in for. That's what happens when you're running your own business and all of that kind of stuff. It goes off every 5 minutes. Right, we'll get all of the sprues out at once. Yeah, check the bag, make sure there's none broke off in it. Nope. It's okay. We'll put the clear parts to one side for now. And we'll do this sprue first. Put them there. We've got sprue frame A. We've got part of the fuselage, the cockpit. That you can see the dials on the side. This is looking absolutely beautiful. Your wheels, your external fuel tanks, and that looks like parts of engines at the front. That I'm not 100% sure, but looks like the cannons at the front. Now there looks to be a tiny bit of flash on that, but that's note that you couldn't easily just sand off. But other than that, nah, it looks brilliant. I can't see really anything wrong with any of that at the minute. Detail is absolutely beautiful. There's lovely panel lines. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. There's the circle there and then the 4 dots in it. Same there. That's how nice it is. Turn her over. Most of these parts have not got any internal, but you have here on the cockpit section. Yeah, that's lovely. That's sprue A. That looks absolutely cracking. We're on sprue. Oh, that's a thing, yeah. Sprue C. Lovely big letter, I've just realised that. But look at that. Lovely big C on it. Even though it says same there, but yeah, that really it helps. Especially when you've not got the greatest eyes. But, carry on. Other side of the fuselage there, we've gotten the rear wings. Some more parts to, well, foot wings and that. You've gotten 2 propellers. Some more, the other side by the looks of it, of the engines, and we'll flick it over again for the internal there. You can see obviously there's some parts going there because there's a square there where it looks like something sits in. There's even a bit of detail for where rear wheel goes. But yeah, that looks nice. Again, no flash, no pin marks, no nothing like that. Looks very nice. And a nice big sprue gate. Because I'll just show you. You get them, some of them, and they put this, it'd be right down to it. But even at that, if you look, you can easily get in there with a pair of nippers. But some of them put them really down, and you do struggle to get in with your nippers when they do that. So it's nice for Airfix to make sure you've got a nice big gap to get your parts in. So that's sprue C. This is a smaller one. This is sprue F. We've only got a couple of parts on this. You've got, is it about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just 5 parts. No internal detail, but you can see there's no flash or anything like that. All looks good. Lovely smooth plastic. Sprue E. We've got exhausts. They look very nice, fine detail. You could try and drill them ends out to give it even more, but it ain't easy, that's for sure. But you've got lots of detail, rivet holes, everything here. Absolutely great. Panel lines I can see in there. I'll flick it over, but I don't know if you've got anything. No, it just looks like where these parts are going together. But that's Sprue E, and again, no detrimental thing to it. All the parts look nice and clean and crisp. Sprue D, and we are getting the very small bits now. The cockpit seats, by the look, that part there, if you look, it's partially broke off. You can see there. There's no real damage to it, but this is why I always check my bags, because these parts can break off, especially in transport, so it's best to check them. We've got, looks like the rear wheel there, and it's very nicely detailed, it's fantastic, but there's no masking that baby off. You're painting that separate with a brush rather than putting your wheel in after. More little tiny parts, lots of them. Looks like it's mostly the undercarriage sections here, look, and that. There's cockpit gear stick. A few little bits that are obviously for whatever part in cockpit and that, but mostly it's just little parts for the undercarriage by it looks. But that's Sprue D. Again, all crisp, no flash. And the very last one is Sprue B. And you've got your lower wing and your 2 upper wings there. If we turn it over, I think these are just the points where you're adding stuff. I don't, if you know what I mean, there and under here and that. You're probably drilling some of these out, to be honest. It'll show you on instructions, because it'll be saying for if you're adding the external fuel tanks and that. But there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts on that one. So although you're getting a lot of sprues, some of them I've got just a few parts on. And that one is Sprue B, and again, everything's perfect by the looks of it. I can't see any real flash, anything like that. So that's all the parts done, and the kit's completely looked at now. And in all honesty, it looks beautiful. For 24 quid, it does look a very, very nice kit. It really does. And I'm going to get cracked on with this as soon as I can, because I can't wait to build it, to be honest. I've never built the Me410, so I really want to get on with this and get it done. And now you've got a choice, do you build it with a big cannon or not? Like I say, you've got a choice. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope it's helped you if you're thinking about buying this kit. This quick review and unboxing. And if you hang around and all of that, as they say, it won't be long before I get on with this and start building it, and hopefully you'll be able to see when I've built it what she looks like. And thanks a lot for watching. I'd be grateful if you'd subscribe, really would. It's helped channel out loads, and I'd be also very grateful if you give me a thumbs up, because it all helps to make the channel that bit better. So thanks a lot. Catch you later.